Hi everyone, my name is Carlo Bustamante. I am a currently a fourth year student taking Bachelor of Science and Information Technology. Today, I will be sharing my self-reflection and experience during my internship at Strastan as a digital marketing intern. So, before joining the internship, I only had a basic knowledge about digital marketing. So I was only familiar with social media content. So if I were rate myself before the internship, I would say the social media content creation is about 6 out of 10, and copywriting is 3 out of 10, and basic SEO is 3 out of 10. So before starting, I was both excited and nervous. I was worried about creating quality content consistently and using tools like Canva, CapCut, and ChatGPT. But however, I also expected that this internship would help me improve my creativity, communication skills, and understanding of digital marketing. So during my internship at Strassen, I was assigned different tasks such as creating social media content, infographics, and helping with SEO related tasks. So this task helped me become more creative and more organized with my work. One of the challenges I encountered was dealing with creativity block, especially when I need to create a clean, fresh, and engaging content regularly. At first, I also struggled with some tools and platforms because I was not yet familiar with their features. But thankfully, my mentor's mom and the Strasson team were very supportive and patient. They guided me whenever I had questions, gave constructive feedback, and taught me techniques that helped me improve my work. Because of their guidance, I became more confident in using digital marketing tools and creating content more efficiently. After the internship, I can say that my skills improved significantly. If I were to rate myself now, the social media content creation is 9 out of 10, copywriting is 8 out of 10, and SEO writing is about 7 out of 10, and use of tools like Canva, ChatGPT, and Neural Text is 8 out of 10. The skills I enjoyed learning the most was content creation because it allowed me to express creativity while also thinking strategically about audience engagement. The most challenging task for me was creating engaging captions and content ideas consistently, but I overcame it by researching trends, practicing regularly every day, and learning from feedback. This internship helped me understand how digital marketing works in a real world setting. I learned that digital marketing is not only about making content look good, but also about communication strategy and understanding the target audience. And it also helped me become more prepared for a professional and client-based working environment. Overall, this 500 hours internship improved my confidence not only in my skills but also in applying for future jobs related to digital marketing, content creation, and social media management. I now feel more ready to work as a content creator, social media manager, or digital marketing assistant. So, lastly, I would like to sincerely thank my mentors and the entire Strassen team for giving me the opportunity to learn and grow during this internship. Thank you for patience and guidance and support throughout my journey. So this experience became an important part of my personal and professional growth, and I will be always be grateful for it. So thank you everyone for listening.